Want to turn your ideas, links, or even PDFs into viral short-form videos without spending hours editing? Today, we're looking at a tool called Revid.ai that promises to do exactly that. If you are trying to keep up with the massive demand for short-form content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, you know how exhausting the editing process can be. Revid.ai aims to solve this by automating the entire pipeline. Instead of starting from scratch, you can feed the AI a simple text prompt, a script, a website link, a product page, an audio file, or even a PDF document. From there, the AI writes the script, generates the media, edits the footage, and helps you publish the final video. The scale of this tool is already pretty impressive. According to their data, over 14,000 creators have used Revid to generate more than 240,000 short videos. Even cooler, over 400 of those creators have managed to cross the 100,000 views mark. It also supports 32 different languages, making it a great option if you are targeting global audiences in different countries. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the sheer variety of inputs is a massive time saver. Being able to turn a product page or a PDF directly into a video is incredibly useful for marketers and content creators. Plus, you can try it out for free without putting down a credit card, which is always a huge plus. On the flip side, we have to be completely honest. Independent, third-party user reviews for Revid.ai are currently quite limited online. Because we don't have a massive library of external user feedback yet, the best way to see if the video quality and editing style match your brand is to simply take advantage of that free trial and test it out yourself. Overall, if you want an easy, automated way to turn your existing text and links into engaging video content, Revid.ai is definitely worth a look. Head over to Revid.ai to start creating your first video for free. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI tool deep dives, and let me know in the comments what you think of AI-generated shorts. See you in the next video.